Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 5 to power x times 5 to power x times 5 to power x divided by 5 to power x plus 5 to power x plus 5 to power x. This is equal to 5. So what is the value of x? Now solution from here. In the numerator, we have that 5 to power x times 5 to power x times 5 to power x. This is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. Now, 5 to power x times 5 to power x times 5 to power x is in the form of a to power n times a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. Therefore, in the numerator, we will have 5 to power x plus x divided by, now in the denominator here, 5 to power x is common. We can factor out 5 to power x, so that here we will have 1 plus 1 plus 1, close the bracket here. This is equal to 5. So in the numerator we have 5 to power x plus x plus x. This is equal to 3x. Then divided by, this is 5 to power x multiplying by 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3. And this is equal to 5. So the next step is to multiply both sides by 3 and also here by 3. So 3 and 3 simplifies here, so that now we have 5 to power 3x divided by 5 to power x. This is equal to 15. That is 5 times 3. This is equal to 15. The next step, we have that 5 to power 3x divided by 5 to power x. This is in the form of a to power n divided by a to power m, which we can express as a to power n minus m. So applying this exponent property, then this means that here we have 5 to power 3x subtract x. This is equal to 15. So now from the next step from here, we have 5 to power 3x minus x. This is 2x. This is equal to 15. So now from here, to solve for the value of x, we introduce logarithm on both sides, so that now here we have log 5 to power 2x. This is equal to log 15. So log 5 to power 2x, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this logarithm property, this is the power rule property of logarithm. Applying this property, then log 5 to power 2x becomes 2x log 5. This is equal to log 15. So let's divide both sides by log 5. So let's divide by log 5 here, and also here by log 5. So let's proceed from here. So let's simplify here. Log 5 and log 5 simplifies, so that here you have 2x. This is equal to log 15 divided by log 5. So we can express 15 as 5 times 3. So this is the same thing as 2x. This is equal to log 5 times 3 divided by log 5. So the next step here is that log 5 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then we can express this as, we have 2x, this is equal to log 5 divided by log 5, then plus log 3 divided by log 5. So log 5 and log 5 simplifies here. So this is the same thing as 1. So that here you have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 3 divided by log 5. So the next step is that log 3 divided by log 5. This is in the form of log A divided by log B, which you can express as log A to base B. Now applying this logarithm property, then this follows that here we have 2x. This is equal to 1 plus log 3 to base 5. So let's divide both signs by 2. Let's divide both signs by 2 so that now the value of x here is equal to half plus half log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of x. So, but you can write x, since a half is common here, we can factor out a half so that now we have a half into the bracket 1 plus log 3 to base 5. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. And therefore, let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall here, we end that 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x times 5 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x. This should give us a value of 5. Now, we send this, the numerator part. The numerator part is in the form of 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m, which we express as 8 to the power n plus m. So this is the same thing as 5 to the power x plus x plus x. This is 3x divided by 5 to the power x. We see that 5 to the power x is common here. So this is the same thing as 1 plus 1 plus 1. Close the bracket. This should give us a value of 5. So let's proceed. Now here we have 5 to the power 3x. We say this is 5 to the power 3x divided by, we say here this is 5 to the power x multiplied by, this is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And this is supposed to give us a value of 5. So that now we multiply both signs here by 3. And therefore, we find that here we have 5 to the power 3x divided by 5, and this is equal to 15. So now, we have that 5 to the power 3x divided by 5. This is actually 5 to the power x. This is 5 to the power x. So now from here, you find that 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power m. This is in the form of a to the power n minus m. So applying this property, then here we have 5 to the power 3x minus x. This is supposed to give us a value of 15. So this is 5 to the power 3x minus x. This is 2x. And this is supposed to give us a value of 15. So substituting the value of x here, we have 5 to the power 2 times x, which is equal to half. It's the brackets here we have 1 plus log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 15. So let's check if this is true. So you can see here we can simplify 2 here. So you have 5 to the power 1 plus log 3 to base 5. This should give us a value of 15. So 5 to the power 1 plus log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power n times a to the power m. So applying this exponent property, then here we can have 5 to the power 1 times 5 to the power log 3 to base 5, and this is supposed to give us a value of 15. So now here we have 5 times 5 to the power log 3 to base 5. This is in the form of m to the power log a to base m, which is supposed to give us a value of a. Applying this logarithm property, then 5 to the power log 3 to base 5 This essentially is supposed to give us a value of 3. Let's substitute this value of 3. So here we have 5 times 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 15. So let's check if this is true. So 5 times 3, this is 15, which is equal to 15. So the left add side is equal to the right add side. And that implies that the value of x, which is equal to a half into the bracket here, 1 plus log 3 to base 5, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.